About this giant fan. It's honestly custom built because this is all solid wood. I can get it to rotate. Check out them massive blades and the pitch on them. Belt driven. I'm not going to plug it in because the only outlet in this little room is occupied. And plus, I don't even know if it's going to run because look at the controller. This is obviously power coming in, and here's the speed control, but you notice two of the wires are disconnected. This is the switch. It's like this. So who even knows if this thing would even run? But it's basically custom built. They probably took like looks like a whole house fan, and then just made a box around it. Pretty clever. Belt-driven whole house fan. And just built a giant box. I should do something like this as a project. Show you the back. Here's the pulley. There's the motor. So I'm basically going to say this is like a whole house fan, and someone just built a box for it. Chicken coop type metal screen. So pretty much just a quickie. Cord. That's all sorts of safe. Safety third. Nothing. I tried monkeying around with this a little bit, and this is how I found it. This black wire was not connected, and you can see the switch is busted in half. I hooked up the black wire to this. I turned the switch several times. Tried a couple outlets. I can't get the power on. I tried connecting it to here a little bit, trying to make contact with one of the contacts on the side. So you can see if I can turn this. Anyway, you see that metal knob in there. That thing turns to make contact with the different wires. So who knows if it's even getting power. So this is the power coming in. Then it runs into here. Looks like you got two whites in the ground coming out of here. Then you got the black, which I assume is power, coming to the switch. Then you got blue, green with his ground. Blue should be one of the speeds wires, I would assume. But I can't get it to turn on. You know, it's not really my place to be doing this anyway. Something like this needs to be run up, but I've done what I can. It don't work. So ain't gonna be no run up on this one, unfortunately. Update. Alright, I bypassed the switch. Black wire is obviously hot. This is low, this is one of the speed windings. This is low. Blue should be high. Green is ground. So I took the black wire out of here. It wasn't hooked up to begin with. I originally stuck it in there to get the switch working, but didn't want to work, so I just took it back out. This time I hooked it up directly to one of the windings. And now we're going to see if she runs. Ready? It lives! How about that? It works again. So it's a faulty switch. Because it's the whole house fan, it blows air backwards. Because that's what it's designed to do, it's throw the hot air up into the attic. Let's see if I can get another speed out of it. Let's see the spin down. Cool. Click. Alright, so let me try another speed. Go on any other speeds. This blue wire connects up to here, so I unwire and nutted it and connected the black wire up to here, but it didn't turn on. So I assume the blue's another speed, but that speed don't work. I'm not going to undo this one because it's electrical taped. I hooked it back up to the red. Black is your power coming in from the box. So red's low. So let's plug it back in again. This is the air intake side. And again, this is low speed. High don't work. This side's removable, obviously to access the belt and stuff. Decent airflow. So it does work. Thanks for watching.